Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video is going to be another black owned business that we are supporting in 12 days of Christmas, and this one is Queendom Cultivation. And it says, I'm gonna read the card. It says, as a small business owner, your support means the world to me. I pray your purchase provides you the abundance of blessings and peace you need and deserve. Jazz. Shop Queendom Cultivation for any of your future metaphysical and spiritual needs. They have handcrafted crystal jewelry, full spectrum doula services, jewelry workshops, private, group, and corporate, and spiritual wellness services. And I wanted to actually get some sage and some stuff for my household, and I wanted to actually purchase it from a brand that knows what they're doing and from a black owned brand, and she and her husband definitely know what they're doing. So I supported them on Black Friday and my package came to me in like 3 to 4 business days. So shout out to them for being great business owners and getting people's order out during a pandemic. Shout out to them for that. I'm gonna show you guys what I brought. If you're into the whole spiritual wellness and stuff, they have everything that you would desire: the crystals, the jewelry, the doula services, and I'm gonna like sage and all of that. So this is, I got the spiritual first aid kit, and it contains 1 sage smudge stick, 2 planto stick, and 1 Celenti wand. And let me go on her website and tell you exactly what and this is the spiritual first aid kit: jewelry, crystals, clothing, lessons and wire wrapping, herbs and aromatherapy, the chakras. They have a creative business coaching, spiritual wellness services, and they have doula services, and they have a wholesale catalog, so you can check them out. It says a spiritual first aid kit. Celenti's excellent protection crystal and can be used to guard yourself from negative energies after an energetic cleansing, which I planned on doing. Using this Celenti crystal for meditation when seeking spiritual activation and communication with your higher self, Celenti can be placed inside of the windows and entryways to keep away unwanted energy after cleansing. So the next thing I got is the Queendom Cultivation Herb Cleansing Kit, and it contains dragon's blood, and this is cleansing and protection and removes negative energy. It has the Yerba Sainta, peace, awaken, and emotional healing. Then they have blue sage, and it has abundance, wealth, and prosperity. And then they have Cedar, which is protection, cleansing, wisdom, and Eucalyptus, which is emotional balance, improve concentration, and remove exhaustion. And then Rosemary, which cleanses and purifies, release negative thoughts, and protects. And this is how it came packaged. How it looks. And I got 2 more, but I don't remember what were the ones that I got, so I need to actually look at my order. So I got 8 items and everything came out to $62.63, and it was 35% off, I think. So I got the Planto Santo in 3, and this is what it looks like. And it says Planto Santo is enjoyed by many for it is energetically cleansing and healing properties similar to sage and cedar. It is a strong medicine that has been popularized for its heavenly presence in keeping energy grounded and clear. It provides an uplifting scent that raises your vibration in preparation for meditation and allows for a deeper connection to the source of all creation. And then the other one I got is Juniper, and Juniper is this one, and this is how it looks on the website. It says Juniper is said to have masculine protective energy and is used in spells of cleansing, prosperity. Juniper leaves are often used for smudging. Juniper is best used for blessing a new venture or dwelling and inviting abundance. So that is Juniper. And what I got, cider. I also got cider. And it says cider is often used to cleanse, heal, and protect. Cider is first and foremost a medicine of protection. It is often used to cleanse a home when first moving in, inviting unwanted spirits to leave, and protecting a person, place, or object from unwanted influences. Cider is often used in the sweat lodge ceremony. It says a few pinches are thrown on the red hot rocks, immediately sparking into yellow glow and releasing their aroma, and the smoke of the burning cedar is said to attract the good spirits and eliminate negative energies.
So I wanted to give you guys a step by step on how to actually cleanse or sage your house. I'm using the herb Juniper and it is best for cleansing new properties. And the first thing you want to do is cleanse yourself and set your intentions. And you want to light your herbs with matches or a lighter. I would definitely say I prefer a lighter because it's easier for the herbs to get a consistent light and stay lit. I realize that when you use matches, it takes a while for the herbs to actually light. I don't know if it's just Juniper per se, but I had a difficult time keeping the light in Juniper. So after you light it, you cleanse yourself and you set your intentions. Um, you want to make sure a door or window is open, and you never blow on your lighter or blow on your herbs because you're literally blowing out your spirit, is what they say. And speak positivity into your home if the energies you want, and tell the energies you want to go, and you call up on the sacred herb to help you clean your home. And no, this isn't witchcraft. Our ancestors have used herbs for years and it's not cultural appropriation. And all the herbs that I'm using is ethically sourced, and this is why I didn't use sage, because sage is an endangered plant at the moment, so I'm using Juniper instead. So that is how you cleanse your property, especially a new home, or cleanse your home. And I'm going to show you guys a little clip of me doing it in our new home that we just bought. I hope you enjoy.
Sacred herbs, I'm calling on you to bless this house. Get rid of all negative and evil spirits. And I also got some crystals. I got 3, and it says the pink Khaleesi. I hope I'm not butchering these names. Promotes peace and well-being, boosts self-confidence and self-esteem. He heals emotional trauma, clears the emotional center of stagnant or negative energy, provides calm during meditation, and this is the heart and crown chakra. The 4th and 7th chakra is what it's associated with, and this is how it looks. The other one is orange selenite, and it says it's unblocks stagnant energy, heals emotional wounds, transforming negative energy into healing energy, brings mental clarity, spiritual protection, and aids in transformation. And this is associated with the 2nd chakra and the crown chakra, and this is how it looks. Super dope. And then the last and final one is the pink calcite or pink calcite. Pink calcite promotes peace and well-being, boosts self-confidence and self-esteem, heals emotional trauma, clears the emotional center of stagnant energy, provides calm during meditation, and this is the heart and crown chakra. It's 4th and 7th, and this is how it looks. And my jewelry definitely came packaged to perfection. I could barely get it out the wrap, so she made sure that our stove did not get messed up. And I like how she includes these little things that explain what each of the jewelry does. So yes, if you're into spiritual cleansing, chakras, or clearing anything like that, you can go to Queendom Cultivation and go support her business. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.